kitchen. Hello everybody, today we are making ravioli, nutmeg ravioli to be specific. Right now we're just doing a quick recap of how to make the pasta dough, but if you want to know how to make it, just go back and you'll find it on our channel. So basically for this you can use whatever filling you want. We're just using this filling because we like it. But you can use like blended meats or blended vegetables or old, I don't know, sauces, and it all will taste amazing. And mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Up here you don't technically need a ravioli filling thing like this. We just have it, so my dad's going to use it to make it look fancy. Because we like that snazzy ravioli, but it's not necessarily at all. It's not necessary at all. It just was good for the filming. Now, when you do this, our cutter here is even a little small for the ravioli because you don't have as much pasta on the outside, but it's fine. And also make sure to keep it clean, otherwise the pasta won't stick together, which isn't good. When you're pressing the two sheets of pasta together, make sure you get out all the air pockets, otherwise the pasta will fall apart. Hi, this is Future editing me. I just want to say, if you see my hands and are like, why is it so dirty? My hands aren't dirty. It was just we made this video about like a day after Halloween, and it was still residue from the makeup of my Halloween costume. So yeah, don't worry, we wash our hands. Yeah, just continue making until you run out of dough or you run out of sauce or whatever you're using. Here we decided that we didn't have enough pasta, so we just cut it with a pastry cutter. You can use a kitchen knife or whatever. Now here, we ran out of sauce and we realized there wasn't enough sauce for all of us. So we found some extra bolognese from inside our freezer and we decided to use that. And it actually turned out tasting really, really good. Cut into whatever funky shapes you want. Throw into boiling water for a minute and that's it. And bon appetit.